Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering OEE monitoring solutions that help manufacturers improve productivity, reduce losses, and make every machine perform better. In many factories, production teams know output is dropping, but they do not always know the real reason. Is the machine stopped? Is it running slow? Or is quality loss reducing final production? Without real-time data, decisions depend on manual reports and assumptions. This creates hidden losses, delayed action, poor equipment utilization, and lower manufacturing efficiency. Brilliant OEE monitoring solves this by connecting directly with machines, PLCs, sensors, production counters, and operator inputs, eliminating manual guesswork and capturing the truth from the shop floor in real time. OEE means overall equipment effectiveness. It tells you how effectively your machine is actually producing compared to its full potential. It works through three simple questions. First, availability. Was the machine available for production, or was it stopped due to breakdowns, changeovers, or downtime? Second, performance. Was the machine running at the right speed, or were hidden slowdowns reducing output? Third, quality. How much production was good the first time and how much was lost in rejection, rework, or scrap? Brilliant OEE monitoring automatically converts this data into live OEE scores, downtime reasons, machine-wise reports, shift performance, and production KPIs. With brilliant OEE monitoring, manufacturers can reduce downtime, improve machine utilization, increase output, control quality losses, and achieve faster ROI through smarter data-driven factory operations. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.